Do you want to know how you can give feedback in Bing? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can provide feedback in Bing. Go ahead and open Bing, which is on your phone. Now, click on your profile, which is on the top left-hand corner of your screen. Now, click on Settings. Scroll all the way down until you find Advanced. Under the Advanced section, you can find Feedback. Now tap on Feedback. You can see that there are three options: I like something, I don't like something, and I have a suggestion. If you click on I like something, you can write down the feature which you like. So go ahead and choose the feature and write down the type of thing you like. You can also include the suggestion of your screenshot, read the privacy statement, and then click send. Now if you don't like something, click on I don't like something, go to feature and choose the thing which you don't like of this, write down some descriptions, include the screenshot and click send. Now if you have a suggestion, go ahead and click I have a suggestion, and this is also the same, guys. So this was a video on how you can give feedback in Bing. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.